Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to a healthier lifestyle with lavender. Most people have heard about lavender and the benefits of lavender, but today we're going to talk about how to incorporate that into your routine. So we're going to talk about soy candles and teas and honey, diffusing lavender, body butters, lotions, body washes, all of those things. So to get lavender into your lifestyle and to have a healthier lifestyle, let's start off with the morning routine. In the morning, we have all these teas that you can brew and honeys with lavender in it. Part of the whole process with making a healthier lifestyle and incorporating lavender is the process itself of stopping and brewing a loose leaf tea and thinking about what your day is going to look like. Also incorporating waking up, going to sleep with diffusers, whether it's a whole room style diffuser that diffuses a cool mist into the air, personal diffusers for beside the bed or in the restroom, things like that. We're always having new things a little about lavender to get lavender into your life, even down to a car diffuser. We try to be sustainable with our products too. You'll see most of these are made out of porcelain and such because they're sustainable. There's no plastics. You can use them for a long time. You don't use them up and throw them away. Even the soy candles. Check our other YouTube video about how to make your own soy candles so you can refill your jar yourself. And then we also have a wide variety of ways that you can moisturize with lavender. We only work with the best ingredients out there, starting from our packaging. Our packaging is made from wheat straw, not plastic, so all biodegradable and compostable. Again, no throwaway. Our ingredients, you'll find no petroleums, no parabens, things of that nature. When we talk about benefits, we don't stop just at lavender. We try to infuse benefits throughout, from whether it be environmental or your health overall from our product quality. That's why we only use soy wax as well. Our teas are made loose leaf, not processed. So incorporating it through the skin, through breathing it in, through consuming it through teas, diffusing it in the air. Lots of ways to bring lavender into your life and creating a healthier lifestyle that includes lavender. Thank you for tuning in today. Hope this has helped you on your journey with lavender. You can always find more information at littlemoutlavender.com.